Hey guys, Tomo's Autos here and welcome to another one of my repair videos. Today we're going to be changing the gearbox oil on my 2003 Honda Accord. Tools required for the job are you're going to need some axle stands, your jack, toolbox, funnel, some rag to clean up any oil spillages, a bucket or something just to catch the oil in, washers to replace the washer that's going to come out the sump plug, a brake cleaner just in case you need to clean up any surfaces for any spillages, and of course your OEM standard ATF DW1 for this particular car. And this is the brand new bottle. Don't know if it's going to be any different to the last stuff, but it's compatible with the car. But always check your owner's manual for the exact specifications of what oil you need to get. And always use OEM oil, factory oil, unless you're going to do any racing, any track time, any drifting time or anything. Just use this stuff and replace it as per your owner's manual. First job is to jack up the car. That's the car now jacked up and the axle stands have been placed. First off, it's always a great idea to check the level of your gearbox oil. Luckily in a Honda Accord, this particular model, you can. And you can just about see that is spot on the maximum mark. Whilst you're here as well, you can also check the condition of your oil. Is it dark? Has it got any metallic bits or anything like that? But this is all pretty good and spot on. So we shall get underneath and drain the oil. So the drain plug for this car is just at the front of the gearbox. As you can see, that is it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to loosen it and then we are going to drain the oil. Okay, I've loosened my bung with my 3/8 ratchet and now let's drain the oil. It's a bit awkward to film, but I'm just undoing this. You can see the oil starting to drip already. And that is the oil all drained. Whilst your oil is draining, it's always a good idea to check if there's any metal bits, any shavings or anything like that on your sump plug. Now this is a metallic one and it's standard. This is a metallic sump plug, so you'll be able to see all those bits. Just rub your fingers along it. You can see there's a bit, but really there's not too much at all, which is exactly what we want. So I'm going to get this cleaned up. I'm going to put another washer on it and then we're just going to wait for all of that oil to finish draining out. So that's all the oil drained. We're going to clean up the area and then we're going to put your new washer and your new sump plug on. Okay, sump plug from the gearbox is now back on the car, so let's go and fill her up. Using my dual funnel contraption here, we're going to pour 2.9 litres of our ATF DW1 fluid into the car. Okay, so I put approximately 2.5 litres in. I have checked the dipstick and it's looking like we are on the maximum side. Hopefully you can see that. So we're on the maximum side. What we do need to do now though is we do need to take it for a drive. We need to get all the oil around the gears, etc. Then what we're going to do is we're going to come back and we're going to test the level again. And we should have to put a little bit more fluid in. So we got back from our drive and we've let the car cool down for about 15 to 20 minutes now. First thing is we're going to check underneath the car to make sure that the sump plug and the washer that we just put on aren't leaking. There we go, apologies for the quality. Yep, no leaks, great news. And now we're going to head back up and check the oil level. Okay, let's check the oil level. It is on a slight decline here. Let's have a look. And yeah, that is absolutely spot on. I expect it on a slight decline as well, just to be slightly over, and that is absolutely spot on. So, oil change complete. Okay, that is the gearbox oil change done on the Accord. Hopefully everyone enjoyed that video. Like I said, it's probably similar for most cars. A lot of newer cars have filters and you've got to take the bottom of the transmission off, drain it and then change your filters. So it is a little bit more complicated, but for the older cars I'm on us, it's nice and easy. So hopefully everyone enjoyed that video. Please like and subscribe, comment on all of that good stuff. Thank you very much and goodbye.